Hello everyone, my name is Boyd Worsham and I have the privilege of leading the National Center for Construction Education and Research, more simply and commonly known as NCCER. I would like to welcome you all today as we launch our organization into a new era. For over 27 years, NCCER has worked tirelessly to build a safe, productive, and sustainable workforce of craft professionals. During this time, we have witnessed the evolution of both the construction industry and our nation's education systems, and have embraced all those challenges along the way. To ensure that we are well positioned to support the construction industry's evolving needs, we are implementing several enhancements to our brand, products, and systems that will be rolling out in the coming months. Today, we are excited to update you on our progress. To mark the progression of the organization, we have refreshed our visual identity. NCCER's new logo is both memorable and bold. Most importantly, it includes our full name with the goal of expanding our awareness and impact on the industry. We have also refined our mission and vision statements to highlight our heightened focus on improving lives through construction education and on providing rigorous and relevant workforce development solutions for all. We don't just help build a workforce, we help build lives by creating opportunities for all to learn valuable and in-demand skills. In addition, we have launched a new website experience at nccer.org. This redesigned website features our new branding, improved navigation, a new support portal to help you find things and get information, and refined content tailored for all stakeholders. Over the next few months, updates to various NCCER systems and account management will begin rolling out. We are streamlining and simplifying processes to provide a more integrated and intuitive customer experience. We are excited to announce a variety of new training options and delivery methods that will expand access of NCCER programs to a broader range of contractors, high schools, and other organizations. These new options will ensure that training programs of all sizes and formats will benefit from NCCER's high-quality, industry-recognized training materials and systems. With these enhancements and more coming throughout the year, NCCER is committed to providing excellent service to our community of educational programs, contractors, and industry partners. Thank you for your business, your support, and your friendship. Have a wonderful day.